The big question is,
gusa ikibazo gikomeye ni
how the hell did they find you after I buried you?
bamenye guturiwe naho uri kandi naragushyinguye mu masystem. Uno mugabo niwe mushyize muri system nk'uwapfuye.
Shit.
Arebye yaramushyize muri system ko yapfuye.
When it was time for you to disappear,
Ubwo cyari igihe cyawe cyo kubura,
your identity to an oil worker in Aberdeen.
nahinduye ibikuranga mbyitiranya n'umugabo ukora mu nganda z'amavuta muri Aberdeen.
Nobody. But someone figured it out.
Bivuze ngo nta muntu wagombaga kumenya uwo uri we.
A high-value terrorist,
Ariko hari umuntu wafashe amashusho yawe cyangwa se isura yawe ayihuza n'icyebe gikomeye cyane.
which you know carries an interagency kill order.
Ibi byebe kandi biba byarashyizweho igipimo kivuga ngo aho bazabibona bazabyica. Bivuze ngo nawe rero hari umuntu ushaka kupfa, wahuje imyirondoro yawe n'iy'ikihebe. Ubwo ni Manafort.
You really think he still wants you dead?
Ese Manafort uracyakeka ko yaba ari uri inyuma yiba kigushaka wapfuye?
Time.
Nyuma y'iki gihe cyose aracyaguhiga?
I broke the only rule that matters to them.
Narenze ku itegeko ry'ingenzi kuri we.
His rules.
Amategeko
Just
yarakijyaho.
to kill an innocent man
We ikosa wakoze ni ukwanga kwica umuntu w'inzirakarengane.
that you promised to help after he helped us.
Kandi uwo muntu yafashije igihugu cyacu, nawe umusezeranya kuzamufasha. Igihugu amaze kugifasha kigutegeka kumwica, wanga kumwica. Umugabo n'inzirakarengane.
Can you shut it down?
Wabikuramo?
Yeah.
Ntago nabikorera hano.
I mean, it wouldn't matter anyway. You've been ID'd.
Nubundi ko naguhindura kose ngongera ngashyiramo ko wapfuye ntacyo byatanga, bamaze kumenya kuri muzima.
Years on that island.
Iriya myaka yose wamaze ku kirwa,
Just stay dead, man.
wagombaga kuguma ku kirwa niho uri kuvayo.
Not a problem.
Nicyo kibazo nagize.
I just need you to keep Jessie safe.
Gusa ndagira ngo urinde kara kana ka Jesse.
Manafort knows who she is now.
Manafort yamenye kano kana ko kariko.
Sand.
Bivuze ngo kano kana ashobora no kugahitana.
You care about her, don't you?
Kara kana ariko ukitayeho.
This is where we part ways.
Hano niho ngiye gutandukanira n'uriya mwana. Mugumane ngembe ngiye.
Keep her here.
Wamungumanira hano.
Look, Mason,
Mason,
I can't.
sinshobora kumugumana.
Why?
Kubera iki?
He has cancer.
Kubera ko arwaye kanseri. Umwana.
My mum took the same meds.
Imiti mbonye mu gikoni na mama wanjye niyo yanywaga mbere y'uko apfa. Ni imiti baho umurwayi wa kanseri iri ku rwego rwa nyuma.
I'm sorry I'm such a drag.
Mumbabarire kuba ngushyize hanze.
Hey, Jesse.
Nakumbabarire kuba ngubereye umutwaro, mumbabarire. Nimbabeshye narimbaye nk'ababana, tumbarire kuba ndi umutwaro. Amenye ko n'umugabo yashaka kumusiga hano nyine yabimubereye umutwaro.
Dr. Sam might get one more Christmas.
Muganga yambwiye ko nsigaje igihe cyo kurya nka Noheri imwe. Ubwo nuko ngo nimba turi mu mwaka turi nko mu kwa mbere, muganga akakubwira ngo usigaje kurya Noheri imwe, cyangwa turi mu kwa gatanu, ubwo ni mu kwa 12 ntiwaharenza. Usigaje igihe cy'amezi.
I'd help you if I could.